our mathematics quiz competition tagged Enyimbapedia. You saw the first round. It was by 11 a.m. till 12 noon, and we had 3 schools here slug it out. And at the end of the day, we had Bright Excellence Academy, Divine International School, and Christ the King Cathedral Secondary School. They were here, and they actually slugged it out. And at the end of the day, Divine International School actually emerged winners for the first round. And right now we're about to get to the second round, and we have 3 amazing schools here in the studio with us, and they are about to have an intellectual battle. I can tell you for sure, they look ready, they look enthusiastic, they have smiles on their faces. I don't know why the guys from what's the school now? I think it's Rockland College. The guy and the lady, you guys are so happy. I will get to you people later because I want to understand the reason for the smile. It's like someone told you are going to emerge winners. They can't hold their smile. They can't just hold it. They can't contain, the joy. But anyway, thank you so much for joining us. This is Enyimba 94.3 FM. And of course, it is the first edition of a mathematics quiz competition for secondary schools in ABIA State, tagged Enyimbapedia. My name is Mary May, and it's going to be an amazing time again. And I'm not alone. I'm your moderator for today, but I won't be doing it alone. I have the mathematics coach here with me. He's in the studio, and he will be moderating alongside with me. I have Mr. AK answer. Mr. AK,
yeah,
we're back here again.
Fully ready. Fully ready. The first round was amazing.
Yeah.
But I expect an exceptional performance in the second.
In the second round, yeah? Okay, so as you know, we already have winners from the first round, and they will be waiting to, also meet with whichever one of you emerges out of here as the winner for the final round. So I need to let you know that Divine International School, they were really strong, and they were giving us answer even before we could play the timer.
Exactly.
I'm just saying so that you brace up for it and know that it's not a joke. We are serious here. All right, so let me let you know that we are actually broadcasting this live on our 3 radio stations. As you know, we're 3-in-1 radio stations: Enyimba 94.3 FM Aba, Legend 98.3 FM Aba, and Rose 101.9 FM. Okay, so you can tune into any of these 3 radio stations to be a part of what we are doing in the studio. And of course, we're also streaming live on our Facebook pages as well. Yes, we're streaming live on our Facebook pages as well. And with us this afternoon in the studio is the beautiful lady that will be taking down the scores, Melinda. Melinda is here with us. Melinda, how are you doing?
I'm great.
Good to have you. Good to have you here. All right. Okay. So with that being said, it is important that we meet the schools that are competing on this second round, get to talk to the student, and then Mr. Answer will get to reel out the do's and the don'ts of this competition. So with us in the studio, we have Premier International School, we have Glorious Learning World Schools, and we have Rockland College. So for our Premier International Schools, we have their representatives here with us. Okay, we have Carlo Comfort, who is the captain of the team. Comfort, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine. I'm doing great.
How do you feel being in the studio with us?
I feel happy to be here.
Are you ready for today?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, all right, good to hear that you are ready. What class are you in, Carlo Comfort?
I'm in SS2 class.
SS2. Is it you're going to SS2 or you're going to SS3? Because I know that is a new section for you. So
I'm going to SS3 class.
Oh, okay. That's beautiful. All right. We also have Odimebu Priska. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Okay. And what class are you in?
SS2, entering SS3.
Are you ready for today?
Yes, I'm ready.
You're very sure? 100% sure?
Yes.
What do you expect at the end of today's competition?
Victory.
Victory. Okay, well, let's move on over to the second school here with us, Glorious Learning World. We have Cyprian Clareth. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, listeners all over the world. I'm doing very great.
Okay, I love your name, Claret. What's the meaning of your name? Is it clarity or?
It means a loving and caring person.
Okay, wow. So it's in your voice anyway. You ready for today, Claret?
Very much ready.
What class are you in?
SS2. I'm entering SS2.
You're entering SS2.
Yes.
Okay.
Just finished SS1.
Okay.
Wow.
Are you a science or an art student?
It's science.
And you're aspiring to be what?
To be
A medical doctor.
doctor,
Yeah,
yes.
I saw that coming. I saw that coming. Okay. Well, thank you for being in the studio this afternoon. And also the captain of the team, Okaha Precious. How you doing?
I'm doing very great.
Good to have you. You're the captain of the team.
Yes.
They chose you. There has to
Yes.
be something about you, Precious.
Yes.
They believe you can deliver.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
not going to disappoint your school.
Not at all.
Not at all. And the people listening at home that are cheering you on today, you're not going to disappoint them.
Not at all.
At the end of the day, what do you expect?
Triumph.
Oh, okay. All right. So, are you a science or an art student?
I'm a science student.
And you're going to become?
Chemical engineer.
Okay. That's amazing. Chemical engineer. I like that. Okay. You're welcome, Okaha Precious. Let's move over to the young man and the lady that have been laughing and smiling and giggling. Put all of it together. I don't know what seemed to be the reason, but they are definitely about to tell us. Mr. Answer, you can't wait to hear why they have been smiling. Okay, so from Rockland College we have Nwachukwu Favor. How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Why have you and your teammates been smiling since both of you stepped into the studio? What we want to share in your joy. That's just why I'm asking.
Because we love the experience.
Oh, wow.
All right.
Wow.
You're happy being here. You're happy that you're here for the competition.
Yes.
What class are you in, Favor? Right, your name Favor, right? Yeah.
I'm in SS2, entering SS3.
And science or art student?
Science student.
What are you aspiring to become?
A medical doctor.
Hallelujah. Okay. Okay. Today, captain of the team, Uche Emmanuel. They chose you as the captain, Uche.
Yes, ma.
Why is that?
Yeah, because they believe I won't let them down.
Are you going to let them down?
Definitely not.
Definitely not. I like that. What class are you in, Uche?
I'm about to enter SS3, ma.
Okay, you're an art or science student?
A science student.
All of you in the studio are science students. So what are you aspiring to become?
A software engineer.
Hallelujah. Okay. I like that. That's amazing. So are you ready for today?
Definitely.
Okay, good to have all of you in the studio with us this afternoon. Okay, quickly, before we delve right into the competition proper, it's pertinent that Mr. Answer here, our mathematics coach, will rail out the do's and the don'ts of the competition. So you would not say, oh, I didn't know about it, and you know, give excuses. So he's going to rail out the do's and the don'ts, you know, so that you are in tune with it. You know what to do and what not to do. Mr. Answer?
Thank you, Mary May. Please, students, I request that you pay attention to the rules. Rule number 1, all questions are in objective form. All questions are in objective form, and you have 20 seconds only to answer each question. 20 seconds only to answer each question. Rule number 2, for this set, we have 30 questions, and each school will have 10 questions to answer. That is, we have 10 rounds for this particular set. Number 3, before you are all the questions, you can see there, before you are all the questions for this set. So when it is your turn to answer a question, you pick and let the quiz master know the question number. So once you pick your question, you let us know the question number. For every correct question, you have 2 marks. So you earn 2 marks for each question answered correctly, and no bonus. No bonus. Number 5, when it is your turn to answer a question, you can only pick one answer from the options. You can only pick one answer from the options, and only the answer from the school captain will be accepted. Only the answer from the school captain will be accepted. Number 6, the use of non-programmable, silent, and cordless calculator is allowed, so you are free to use your calculator. Number 7, in the case of tie, that is same score, we have extra questions to break the ties. And lastly, only one school will qualify from this group. Only one school will qualify for the final from this group. That is the school with the highest score. Thank you very much.
All right, just before we delve into your picking questions, let me say this. You have, 20 seconds to answer your question. Something we observed in the first round, and I just want to tell you so that you don't make that mistake. You have 20 seconds. Learn to maximize your time. I know that some of you want to show that you are brilliant, and you just want to show. Let us know that. I can understand, but it is better that you maximize your time and give the correct answer than for you to be ahead of the time and you give the wrong answer. Do you understand what I'm saying? So take your time, look at the question again, look at the answers, dot your I's, cross your T's, make sure that you're correct whilst your time is still there. But once your time is over, we expect an answer, and if you don't get it, we'll take it that you have failed that question, and we'll move over to the next school to pick a question. Is that clear? And also, please, when you pick a question and I ask you what number is that, speak into the mic. All right, because we are streaming live. Our audience on our socials need to see the questions that you have picked. We are streaming it live, so we need to know the number. So please speak audibly into the mic. And as well, when you are giving me an answer, please don't just tell me C or D. When you say C, also mention the answer of that C. I'm sure the answers are there, right? Beyond writing A, B, C. If you say C, you mention what the answer is. If it's 3/5 or 5 is the answer, please don't just say D and leave it at that. Okay? Is that understood? All right, let's get down to the competition right now. Are we ready? All right, let's have the first school, which is Premier International Schools. Otimebu Priska, pick a question and go back, sit down, and let us know the number to the question you picked. Number what?
Number 26.
Question number 26. Given that sine theta is equals to 1 over square root of 2, evaluate tan theta. Given that sine theta is equals to 1 over square root of 2, evaluate tan theta. Your time starts now.
Your time is up. Let's have the answer, please.
C.
What's C?
Root 3 over root 2.
No, the answer is D, 1. Tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So root 2 is the hypotenuse. So the opposite and adjacent is 1, 1. So 1 over 1 is 1.
All right, glorious learning word. Pick a question. What number?
Number 8.
Number what?
8.
Question number 8. If A is equals to 3 and B is equals to -7, find the value of 5B plus A plus B all squared. 5B plus A plus B all squared over A minus B all squared. All over A minus B all squared. Your time starts now.
Your time is up. Let's have your answer.
C. C.
What's C?
Minus 0.19.
C minus 0.19, correct.
Rockland College, your time to pick a question. What's the number?
Number 24.
Sorry, we didn't hear you.
Number 24.
All right.
Question number 24. Solve the quadratic equation. 6x squared minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. 6x squared minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. Your time starts now.
Your time is up. Let's have your answer. Your time is actually up.
Yeah.
My answer.
Get sit down and use the mic.
My answer is A.
What's A?
2 or 3.
No, the answer is C, 1 over 2 or 1 over 3. The two factors there to use are minus 2 and minus 3.
All right, moving on. Premier International Schools, please speak your question. What number, please?
Number 27.
Question number 27. If x minus 3 is a factor of x squared plus mx minus 3, find the value of m. If x minus 3 is a factor of x squared plus mx minus 3, find the value of m. Your time starts now.
Your time is up. Let's have your answer, please.
B. 1.
No, the answer is D, minus 2. If x minus 3 is a factor, then if you substitute x equals to 3 into the expression, it will give you 0. So the answer is D, minus 2.
Glorious Learning Words, pick a question. What's the number?
Number 28.
Question number 28. The standard deviation of a distribution is 0.8. Find the variance. The standard deviation of a distribution is 0.8. Find the variance.
Your time starts now.
Yeah.
C.
What's C?
0.64.
C, 0.64, correct.
All right, Rockland College, pick a question. What's the number?
Number 30.
Question number 30.
Yes.
Evaluate, correct to 4 significant figures. Evaluate and correct to 4 significant figures. 573.06 multiplied by 184.25. 573.06 multiplied by 184.25. Your time starts now.
Your time is up. We need an answer.
The answer is A. 10,000. 105,600.
105,600, option A is correct.
Okay, we're taking it back to Premier International Schools. We do pick a question. What number is that?
Number 11.
Question number 11 under variation. M varies directly as n. M varies directly as n and inversely as the square of p. and inversely as the square of p. If m is equals to 3 when n is equals to 2 and p is equals to 1. If m is equals to 3 when n is equals to 2 and p is equals to 1. Find the relationship between m, n, and p. Your time starts now.
M equals to 3n over 2p squared.
Option what?
A.
Option A, correct. M equals to 3n over 2p squared. Correct.
Glorious learning word. It's your turn to pick a question. What's the number? Please use the mic.
Number 25.
Question number 25. The straight line y equals to mx minus 4 passes through the point minus 4, 16. Minus 4, 16. Calculate the gradient of the line. Your time starts now.
The time is up.
A. Minus 5.
A minus 5, correct.
Rockland College, would you pick a question?
Number 18.
Question number 18. The mean of a set of 10 numbers is 56. The mean of a set of 10 numbers is 56. If the mean of the first 9 numbers is 55, if the mean of the first 9 numbers is 55, find the 10th number. Your time starts now.
The time is up. Please give us an answer. You can only sit and use the mic.
The answer is B, 65.
B, 65, correct.
All right. Yes, you don't always need to stand, Uche Emmanuel. All right. So once I ask for the answer, just be comfortable. Pick up the mic and then give me the answer, okay? I understand that sometimes you can be nervous, but just relax, calm down. I love the way your teammate Wachuku Favor seems to be smiling in the midst of everything going on. She's not feeling the pressure, neither is she anxious. She just smiles, you know. All right, let's move over to Premier International Schools. Please pick a number. Question, sorry. What number is that?
Number 29.
Question number 29. Find a quadratic equation whose roots are 7 and minus 2. Find a quadratic equation whose roots are 7 and minus 2. Your time starts now.
C. X squared minus 5x minus 14 equals to 0.
Option C, x squared minus 5x minus 14 equals to 0 is correct.
All right, glorious learning word. It's your turn to pick a question. Number what?
Number 15.
Question number 15. A ladder 6 meter long leans against a vertical wall at an angle 53 degrees to the horizontal. I take it again. A ladder 6 meter long leans against a vertical wall at an angle 53 degrees to the horizontal. Question: how high up the wall does the ladder reach? Your time starts now.
Your time is up. We need an answer.
A. 3.611 meters.
No. The correct answer is C, 4.792 meters.
All right, Rockland College. What's the number? Please use the mic.
Number 13.
Question number 13. An exterior angle of a regular polygon is 22.5 degrees. An exterior angle of a regular polygon is 22.5 degrees. Find the number of sides. Your time starts now.
Your time is up. We need an answer.
The answer is D, 16 sides.
Option D, 16 is correct.
Prima International Schools, it's your turn to pick a question. What's the number?
Number 23.
Question number 23. A trader made a loss of 15% when an article was sold. A trader made a loss of 15% when an article was sold. Find the ratio of the selling price to the cost price. Your time starts now.
Your time is up. Give us your answer, please.
B. 3:17.
No, the correct answer is C, 17:20.
All right, Glorious Learning Word, it's your time to pick a question. What's the number?
Number 5.
Question number 5. If square root of 24 plus square root of 96 minus square root of 600 is equals to y square root of 6, find the value of y. If square root of 24 plus square root of 96 minus square root of 600 is equals to y square root of 6, find the value of y. Your time starts now.
Your time is up.
B. 2.
No, the correct answer is D, minus 4. 24 is 2 root 6. 96 is 4 root 6. 600 is 10 root 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 minus 10 is minus 4.
Rockland College, your turn to pick a question. What number, please?
Number 9.
Question number 9. If 5x plus 3y is equals to 4 and 5x minus 3y is equals to 2, what is the value of 25x squared minus 9y squared?
The time starts now, right?
Yes, your time.
The time is up. We need an answer.
B. 16.
The correct answer is D, 8. Now let me teach you something. The first equation there is 5x plus 3y equals to 4. The second equation is 5x minus 3y equals to 2. Now you're asked to find 25x squared minus 9y squared. That is difference of two squares. So the expression 5x plus 3y and 5x minus 3y is the factorization of that expression. So the answer is just 4 times 2, 8.
All right. Let's move on. Premier International Schools, it's your turn to pick a question. The number you picked, please.
Number 7.
Question number 7. The length of a piece of stick is 1.75 meters. A boy measured it as 1.80 meters. Find the percentage error. Your time starts now.
The time is up. We need an answer. Premier International Schools.
C. 2 whole number 7 over 9%.
The correct answer is B, 2 whole number 6 over 7%.
Glorious learning word. Pick a question. What number is that?
Question number 14. 14.
14, right?
1 and 4, 14. Okay, the length of a rectangle is 10 cm. If its perimeter is 28 cm, find the area. The length of a rectangle is 10 cm. If its perimeter is 28 cm, find the area. Your time starts now.
Your time is up.
C. 60 cm square.
The correct answer is B, 40 cm square.
Rockland College, please speak a question. What number?
Question number 10.
Question number 10. A weaver bought a bundle of grass for 50 naira. A bundle of grass for 50 naira, from which he made 8 mats. From which he made 8 mats. If each mat was sold for 15 naira, if each mat was sold for 15 naira, find the percentage profit. Your time starts now.
Your time is up.
The answer is B, 140%.
B, 140% is correct.
Premier International Schools, pick a question. What's the number, please?
Number 2. Number 20.
Question number 20. Simplify 2 minus 18m square all over 1 plus 3m. Simplify 2 minus 18m square all over 1 plus 3m. Your time starts now.
The time is up. We need an answer. Premier International Schools.
D. 2 bracket 1 minus 3m square bracket closed.
The correct answer is C, 2 bracket 1 minus 3m.
Glorious learning word. What number is your question?
Question number 6.
Question number 6. 3 boys shared 10,500 naira in the ratio 6:7:8. 3 boys shared 10,500 naira in the ratio of 6:7:8. Find the largest share.
The time starts now.
A. 4,000 naira.
A, 4,000 naira, correct.
Rockland College. Pick a question. What number is your question, please?
Number 19.
Question number 19. Given that sine 5x minus 28 degrees is equals to cos 3x minus 50 degrees, where the value of x lies between 0 and 90 degrees, find the value of x. I will take that again. Given that sine 5x minus 28 degrees is equals to cos 3x minus 50 degrees, where x lies between 0 and 90 degrees, find the value of x. Your time starts now.
The time is up.
The answer is A, 39.
Okay, I observe you were doing trial by error. The correct answer is C, 21. Now let me teach you something. If sine theta is equals to cos alpha, then theta plus alpha is 90 degrees. So the equation to form there is 5x minus 28 plus 3x minus 50 equals to 90. Simple. Thank you.
Premier International Schools, please pick a question. May we know the number?
Number 4.
Question number 4. Find the 17th term of the arithmetic progression minus 6, minus 1, 4, dot. Find the 17th term of the arithmetic progression minus 6, minus 1, 4, dot. Your time starts now.
74.
C, 74, correct.
Glorious learning word. Pick a question. What's the number, please?
Number 3.
Question number 3 under set theory. Given that A and B are sets such that the cardinality of A is equals to 8 and the cardinality of B is equals to 12, and the cardinality of A intersection B is equals to 3. Find the cardinality of A union B. I will take that again. Given that A and B are sets such that the cardinality of A is equals to 8 and the cardinality of B is equals to 12 and the cardinality of A intersection B is equals to 3. Question: find the cardinality of A union B. Your time starts now.
C equal 20.
No, the correct answer is B, 17. The formula is cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. So 8 plus 12 minus 3 is 17.
All right, Rockland College. What question number is that?
Question 17.
Question number 17. Find the volume of a cone of radius 3.5 cm and vertical height 12 cm. Take pi to be 22/7. I will take that again. Find the volume of a cone of radius 3.5 cm and vertical height 12 cm. Take pi to be 22/7. Your time starts now.
The time is up.
The answer is D, 154 cm cube.
D, 154 cm cube is correct.
Rema International Schools, would you pick a question, please? What's the number?
Number 21.
Question number 21 under probability. Now listen carefully. Mrs. Gabriel is pregnant. The probability that she will give birth to a girl is 1/2. And the probability that the baby will have blue eyes is 1/4. What is the probability that she will give birth to a girl with blue eyes? Your time starts now.
B, 3/4.
No, the correct answer is C, 1/8. That is independent events.
All right, glorious learning word. What number did you pick?
Number 2.
Question number 2. Modular arithmetic. Evaluate 23 times 54 in module 7. Evaluate 23 times 54 in module 7. Your time starts now.
The time is up.
B equal 3.
B, 3, correct.
Rockland College, would you pick a question? What number is it?
Number 16.
Question number 16. A cylinder opened at one end has a radius of 3.5 cm and height 8 cm. Calculate the total surface area. Take pi to be 22/7. I will take that again. A cylinder opened at one end has a radius of 3.5 cm and height 8 cm. Calculate the total surface area. Take pi to be 22/7. Your time starts now.
Your time is up. We need an answer. We need an answer.
The answer is D.
What's D?
214.5 cm square.
D, 214.5 cm square is correct.
All right, it has been amazing in the studio. But let me just let you people know that this is the last lap. This is the deciding factor. What is going on? Why is he crying? Is he crying or is he being...
I'm not crying.
Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure, Uche?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I thought you had an emotional breakdown there. All right, so this last round is what will decide which one of you here, the schools that will be joining Divine International for the next round, that'll be coming up on Wednesday. So I just need you to know that you have 20 seconds allotted to you. Maximize your time, work as a team, and make sure that you have crossed your T's and dotted your I's so that whatever answer you get this time around can help you emerge as the winner. Is that okay? All right, Premier International Schools, please pick your last question. The number.
Number 1.
Question number 1. If 4 raised to power 3x is equals to 16 raised to power x plus 1, find the value of x. If 4 raised to power 3x is equals to 16 raised to power x plus 1, find the value of x. Your time starts now.
The time is up. Premier International Schools, we need an answer from you.
X is equals to 1. C.
The correct answer is B. X is equals to 2.
All right. Glorious learning word. What number is that?
Question number 12.
Question number 12. Mary has 3 naira more than Ben. Mary has 3 naira more than Ben, but 5 naira less than Jen. But 5 naira less than Jen. If Mary has X naira, how much does Jen and Ben have all together? How much does Jen and Ben have all together? Your time starts now.
Your time is up.
B. Naira 2x plus 8.
The correct option is D. 2x plus 2 naira. 2x plus 2 naira.
Rockland College.
The last question for the set.
Number, please.
Number 22.
Question number 22. Solve the equation y plus 2 over 4 minus y minus 1 over 3 equals to 1. Y plus 2 all over 4 minus y minus 1 all over 3 equals to 1. Find y.
The time starts now.
Yes.
The time is up.
The answer is A. Y is equal to minus 10.
The correct answer is B. Y is equals to minus 2. Thank you.
Well, anyway, we have come to the end of the questions, and the next round is going to be, to know who is emerging as the winner of the second round of our Enyimbapedia. We would have loved to go on a short break, but because of time, we're just going to throw the phone lines open to get your take on the competition so far, and then take a few messages from Facebook and WhatsApp, and then we call the results. All right, 0809-666-0943 or 0708-000-0918, and Facebook, where we're streaming live. We are streaming live across the three stations: Enyimba 94.3 FM, about Legend 98.3 FM, and Rose 101.9 FM. But let's get your take this afternoon. You can call us or you can drop your comments for us on our Facebook pages, whichever one works for you this afternoon. We are open to read. Or WhatsApp is 0809-666-0943. So you can send us a WhatsApp message this afternoon, and we'll take your WhatsApp message. All right. Hello. Okay, all right, let's see if we can take some messages on Facebook and also take some messages on WhatsApp. Don't forget, WhatsApp is 0809-666-0943. All right, let's get our hands on some of the messages we have here on Facebook. All right, East Sparkling Cross says, I'm back for the second round. This is really fire. ABIA really got future leaders. Chinwoke Sunday says, more grace to all of you. Chioma Jesus says, I'm here again for the second round. Deborah Francis says, can't wait for the winner. This would be hot. Olokwe Kingsley says, good afternoon, Mary May. Continue this good work. You guys have started. God is your strength. And the schools that participated today did excellently. I'm chatting from Omocham Road, Aba. Beauty Queen says, this is amazing. And this one here from Amaka Joy says, kudos to you all. Uche Wazunji says, congratulations, my people. Nwosu Kelechi Oka says, I'm so impressed. Congratulations to you all. Ebenezer Eze says, let's okay. My God. Okay, well, that's your opinion, Ebenezer Eze. And Chinedu Osando says, see my school hostel mates, Mr. Pastor Answer AK. You are doing well. God bless you. All right. And this one here from Jane Udainsi says, congratulations to you all. Wendy Collins saying, I love you all. Amaka Joy says, Rockland College, we love you. And Ella Zubi Okamba says, congratulations to you all. And this one from Lovey Dovey says, the keys are superb. All right. Kelechi Kanu says, congratulations to my people. Mathematics is not an easy subject. Chinenye Jackson says congratulations. Didi Aquaranto saying glory, glory, glorious. Beauty Queen says glorious school all the way. Okay, let's see if we can take a few messages from WhatsApp so we can call the results. All right. I don't know who the person here is. Says can't wait for the winner. And this one says kudos to you all. This one says Rockland all the way from Owatex Shoes. Greetings, guys. This is Michael. I must say I'm really impressed this afternoon. The kids in the group are up to it, and they are indeed keeping to the time. I feel the vibes, and I must say so far the winner of this competition might come out from this group too. Mark my words. And for the anchor, Mr. Answer, he's really doing well by educating them along the line. All right. And this one says, very interesting program. Congratulations to all the schools. The schools that didn't win should draw positives from this and earn higher next time. Charles from Hall West Christian Taba. This one says, good afternoon, guys in the studio. At this point in time, it's safe to say that these children are really well thought. Kudos to all of them and to their respective schools in extension. But that Rockland school is really rocking on Red Comedy. Right, and this one says, I say, now wow, these kids too do. Congrats. Well, I think the Nawa, you too do now is a recent thing I hear these days. You too do. All right, Ambassador Genevieve says, congratulations to you all. And this one says, good afternoon, Mary May. Your people are doing well. Congratulations to you all. Right, okay. All right, I think it's time for us to, get the results now. Let's know the schools that are moving over to the next round. All right, okay. The scores are in. The scores are in. I would have said drum roll. Well, at the end of the competition this afternoon, Premier International School, they had 6 as their score, overall score. While Glorious Learning Word had 10 as their overall score. And then Rockland College came up with 12 as their overall score. It's safe to say that the winners of this second round of Enyimbapedia is Rockland College. Okay, so I actually said that from the time they stepped into the studio, Favor, Nwachuku and Emmanuel Uche, they have been beaming with smile. They were laughing. And the one thing I observed and I love about Favor is her ability to not show anxiety throughout. Whilst they were solving the question, she was all smile. She would look at her team member and be like, okay, she was never anxious. Favor never showed any sign of anxiety, any sign of nervousness or fear whatsoever. She was so bold, she was so confident. It was as if she knew, you see this, I am definitely leaving here as a winner. So let me talk to Favor because I need to understand where this boldness is coming from. What you go, Favor? How do you feel right now? Congratulations to you, first of all.
Thank you, ma.
How do you feel? You've been smiling since you stepped into the studio. So how do you? Smiling. She's still smiling.
I feel happy.
You feel happy?
Yes.
Did you see this happening?
Yes.
You knew that you people were going to emerge winners?
Yes, ma'am.
You did. Amazing. How about you, Uche?
I'm very excited.
Uche was on top of his game. He would stand, he would shake his leg. And I want to commend the team spirit between the two of you because I saw the two of you working together. I would see you compare with Favor to be sure that two of you are getting the same answer, the same thing at the same time. That's team spirit. It's needed in this kind of competition. I must commend you. And let me also talk to Glorious Learning Word. Okaha Precious, Okaha, what happened? Because I remember when we started, you gave us the first correct answer in this. She gave the first 2 correct answers. In this competition, I was like, wow, Okaha, where to go? What happened? How do you feel, first of all?
I feel quite happy and sad at the same time.
So it's a mixed feeling.
Yeah, it's a mixed feeling.
Yeah. But what happened along the line? Where you and your team member, you guys were not working together. What exactly happened?
No, we are working together.
So what happened?
I just don't know what happened.
You just don't know what happened.
Yes.
Well, anyway, for coming here to be a part of the competition, I need you to know that you're already a winner.
Yes.
All right, and there would always be another opportunity for you to, get it right the next time. But let me talk to Cyprian Claret. Claret, how do you feel?
I feel so much blessed and inspired too.
Yeah.
And also
I love that
educated.
spirit. Yeah. You took the corrections in good faith, and now you know better, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's amazing. All right, my ladies from Premier International Schools, Carlo Comfort, how you feeling?
I feel motivated.
I can hear you. You feel
I feel motivated.
okay, and that means that next time you're going to do a whole lot better, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right, and let's talk to Odimebu Priska. How are you feeling, Priska? How do you feel?
I feel more educated.
Yeah, you learned a few things this afternoon, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You took the corrections. You saw where you got it wrong when you were solving the equations.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you know better.
Yes.
And I know there will be other opportunities for you to also compete and probably emerge as a winner. But anyway, thank you so much for coming for this competition. But congratulations to Rockland College. They are actually the winners of the second round of our mathematics competition, Enyimbapedia. Is there anything you want to say, Mr. Answer? Because we've come to the end of the second round. Don't forget the third round will be by 3 p.m. But I think Mr. Answer has something he wants to say to us before we leave.
Congratulations to Uche. Congratulations, Rockland College. I expect to see you on Wednesday with fire, because I believe that final will be a nut to crack. Congratulations.
All right. Well, anyway, this is where we have to pause for now. Don't forget that 3 p.m. would actually have, the third round of the competition. We'll be having 4 schools actually for that third round. Yes, we'll be having 4 schools. So you need to stick around for that. By 3 p.m., we will have Brainfield Academy, Champions Basic Schools, Great Golden Gate International School, and Mother Care International School. It promises to also be amazing. Thank you so much for doing this with us. 3 p.m. will be the third round. Keep listening. This is Enyimba 94.3 FM. ABA.